I am gonna call Zach, who is my local guy. He's probably getting sick of hearing from me, but Zach, you here?
I'm here.
Holy cow, that was amazing.
Good to see you, buddy.
All right, so it looks like after inspection, right, we're going to get the spray foam in and get it flush. Then you're going to be ready for drywall.
Yeah.
Right. What do you think about that process and it being a little different, right? You don't have to split that stud like you have to with standard lumber, right? Eliminating some of that extra waste.
Yep.
What do you think about that diamond pattern as an indicator?
Well, so I'm really excited. Like every 8 inches, I've got a fastening point. You can actually see where we actually kind of cut into the fastening point.
Yeah.
Running this electrical. But today in houses now, we're seeing a lot more where people want that level 5 finished smooth drywall.
Sure.
Which in a traditional home, when I built this home in the past, try to pick up a 2x4 that's exactly the same as the next 2x4. It's impossible
I get it.
because it's natural. I get it. But the lumber we have now, it's grown too fast. It's dried too quickly. And as soon as you cut those straps on a lumber pack, what happens?
Starts warping.
It starts warping.
That's exactly what.
And so, in typical construction, we are not using steel frame construction where you can get those kind of finishes. Here, I have got a 10-foot tall flat wall that I can now get those smooth finishes on. And that's important for today's homeowner. It really is. We don't want the heavy texture like we typically had. So my drywall guy came in here to do his takeoff and he can't wait. He's not as excited about the interior walls as he is the exterior walls.
Sure.
So yeah, looking forward to the drywall process.
Awesome.
If you have any questions about the efficiency of Nudura forms, go visit nudura.com or contact a local rep in your area.